What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to braid my hair. I'm going to do mini like feed-in box braid because I'm tired of my silk press. So I'm going to be using some gel, a rat comb, and this edge booster. It smells just like pineapple with some edge control. What I do is I put it on my part. It helps my part get straight, and I love this style because it's literally gonna stay on my head for a month. The summer is coming. I'm not trying to like do my hair and the sun messes up my hair with the heat. You guys already know. Now it's so hard to explain this part, but what I'm doing with my real hair first is I'm braiding it out, and then I'm like feeding in pieces of hair in the braid that I'm already braiding. So I really suck at directions, but if you could see how I'm like braiding my hair and then you see that honey blonde piece, that's the fake hair. And this is how it came out so far. The goal for this is for you to save money, honey. Like, do your hair, save money, because I promise you, getting this style by somebody else is costing you like, I think, a good $120, and that's a good $120 that sis don't got. I'm talking